Hi. Every time I start a new SBL group, I ask one question to everyone. And that question is, what is a professional? It's a word that we use all the time. He or she is a professional accountant or a financial advisor or a dentist or a doctor or a lawyer. But we rarely think about what that is. And after a bit of conversation, here is what we get to as a group. A professional is someone on whose expertise, integrity, honesty, and ethics we can rely. So when we go and see a professional, whether it's an accountant or whether it's a doctor or a dentist, we expect them to maintain the highest possible ethical standards and give us the highest possible standard of advice. And we have a right to do that, to expect that from our professionals. So as professionals, as ACCAs, we have an obligation and a responsibility to our profession to identify those standards and to embed them into our way of thinking and behaving and engaging with others. How do we do that? Well, there are many ways, but essentially, you do that through practice, all right, when you go through past exam papers. So, for example, with all of my SBL students, when we attempt an exam paper, we focus on the ethics and professional skills. Remember, professional skills in SBL carry 20% of the marks. So it's not just about understanding what professional skills are. It's about demonstrating them, because without them, you don't pass. Also, it's about demonstrating ethics in your answers. Now, how do you identify what the ACCA considers to be ethics and professional skills? Well, they've produced the ethics and professional skills module. And once you pay for it and buy it and go through it, you have lifetime access to it. And it makes an enormous difference in the pass rates of SBL students. Now, although I've been talking about SBL here, of course, ethics and professional skills are tested across all subjects at Strategic Professional. And so they should be. The ACCA wants to make sure that you have the skills that you can demonstrate when you go out into the big wide world and carry the letters ACCA after your name. It's a big responsibility, but we are up for it. Okay, so that is what a professional is. Hope you enjoyed that.